Top news as of December 30, 2025. World news highlights. Global geopolitics and major world events. Ukraine peace talks stagnate. Recent negotiations between Ukraine and Russia-backed forces have failed to produce a breakthrough, reflecting ongoing challenges in ending the conflict. U.S. leadership is emphasizing punitive measures rather than compromise, complicating peace efforts. Population milestone. Jakarta becomes the world's largest urban area. According to recent UN data, Jakarta and its surrounding metropolitan region now surpass other cities in global population count, with around 42 million people. This marks a major demographic shift with implications for urban policy and infrastructure planning worldwide. Middle East diplomacy. Netanyahu set to meet President Trump amid Gaza tensions. Increasing diplomatic movement as Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu plans discussions with the U.S. President to address ongoing conflict conditions and regional security concerns. Global market snapshot. Silver and precious metals see volatility. After a strong post-holiday rise, silver prices retreated sharply, dragging gold and other metals down too, a sign of shifting risk appetite among traders as the year ends.
Economy and finance. Crypto markets slump sharply. $1 trillion wiped from crypto markets in 2025. Despite earlier optimism and record highs in Bitcoin pricing, the cryptocurrency sector has seen dramatic sell-offs, erasing about $1 trillion from market value in recent months, pointing to investor risk aversion and weakening sentiment. Regional growth story: Hong Kong. Hong Kong economic growth revised up to 3.2%. Local economic officials now forecast stronger expansion for 2025, driven by exports, fixed investment, and a rebound in consumption. The city also aims to enhance its financial hub status with more IPO attraction, fintech growth, and broader global trading roles. European and emerging market fiscal news. EU official backs new trade deal. Europe is urging support for the Mercosur trade agreement, seen as vital for growth, while countries like the Czech Republic and India grapple with budget deficits and banking sector health respectively, broad signals of mixed global economic conditions. Korea markets note. Kospi leads global gains. The Korean stock benchmark has delivered some of the strongest returns worldwide this year, highlighting strong domestic investor performance, a significant story in global equity comparisons.
Technology and innovation. AI and semiconductor industry moves. NVIDIA boosts stake in Intel. NVIDIA has purchased a $5 billion share of Intel, underscoring deepening cooperation competition among semiconductor leaders as AI demand reshapes chip strategies. SoftBank's AI infrastructure push. SoftBank's acquisition of DigitalBridge for $4 billion highlights intensified investment in AI data centers and foundational infrastructure, a key trend for 2026 tech buildouts. AI boom realities. Major reports and insight pieces from global outlets are now focusing on how AI valuations and adoption trends might not be an irrational bubble but long-term structural change, even as markets exhibit rotation and concentration in a few tech giants.
Summary takeaways. Geopolitics remain a core theme in world news with stalled peace efforts and new diplomatic engagements. Global economy shows mixed signals: strong local growth, Asia, currency and investment volatility, crypto and metals, and structural trade developments. Finance news highlights risk shifts, major transactions, and market performance indicators. Technology is dominated by AI and semiconductor strategic plays, reflecting deep industry transformation.